Rhubarb Crumble. A dessert from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Combine flour and brown sugar in mixing bowl. Cut in butter until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Step 2. Place rhubarb in bottom of 9-inch pie plate, sprinkle lemon juice and rind over top, along with sugar and spices. Pile the crumble mixture on top of fruit, pressing down so that fruit is covered. Step 3. Bake in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes or until top is golden and filling begins to bubble around edges. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.